Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the colored Raine Vivid Pigments and Eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful, it's colorful. I pre-ordered this in November and I finally got it just a couple days ago. So if you want to see swatches and my thoughts on the swatches, just keep watching. Okay, now that you've seen the swatches, let's talk about the palette. First off, this palette is beautiful. Honestly, in person, the colors look a little bit different than they did online for me. I pretty much got this palette because of the purples. Purple's my favorite, of course. But most of them are pretty, I guess. Overall, I'm not sure how I feel about the color scheme in this palette. It is pretty, and there are some nice shades, but honestly, I don't know, I'm just not feeling this palette as much as I thought I would. Maybe it's because of waiting for like a fucking long time for this palette, but I don't know, guys. I don't know how I feel about it. There were only 3 shades that didn't swatch decently well. I'm surprised that the darker shades actually swatched really well. Like that blue swatched really well, and so did the dark green. I don't know, these 2 shades just kind of feel pointless. Like, why is there, like, a fucking neutral, and why is there, like, a, like, deep red like that? I don't know. Color-wise, not a fan of that, but I do like how these swatched. They're pretty pigmented. Like I said, there were 3 shades that were, like, but that green is actually my favorite, and it swatched not great to start with, but the more I added, the, like, better it looked. So again, like, you never know with palettes how they'll apply on the eyes based off swatches. I just like doing swatches because a lot of people like to see swatches of eyeshadow palettes. They're really, really pretty. I don't know, like, I'm not feeling it. I really do like this, like, peachy orange shade, Crushin'. That is, like, my favorite almost. Swatch that great. It's pretty patchy, so The pink shade Party Drip also does not swatch well. It doesn't look too bad here, but this is with 3 layers and it's still patchy as crap. I mean, obviously pigments can swatch horribly and they can apply well to the eyes, so I mean, I'm not going to judge this palette too harshly until I actually use it, but I prefer when shadows do swatch well. It's like when I do swatches, like, It's a mess, but that's okay. Which row is your guys' favorite? I'm honestly like, like the purples aren't, I don't know. I got this for the purples and I'm just like, I don't know. I don't even feel like I need this palette really. So I'm like, am I gonna keep this? Am I gonna declutter it? Probably. Like, it's just like, I don't know. The thing about palettes, like you wait for the swatches and then it's like, if you see a palette and you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to keep this, it's kind of like, I don't want to try it because I don't want to be like selling a used palette. I always buy stuff with my own money. It's very rare that I get PR. I don't get PR from really anywhere, so this is a palette I bought myself, so I can do whatever I want with it, but I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know if I need it, but the shade Crushin' is honestly my favorite, which I'm surprised about. Like, out of the entire palette, Crushin' is my favorite, and it's kind of make me want to keep it because I don't have any colors like that. Everything else was fine, and I have heard great things about it. They did make all of the shades vegan, so maybe there is a formula difference. I don't know. To the touch, some of them felt very dry, but others felt soft, so it's like, I don't know for sure. Most of the shades do stain a bit. Yeah, a little bit of staining. Not horrible, but not great. I did re-dye my hair, as y'all can see. I don't know. Overall, this did swatch well. I'm just not completely sold on it. I think I am gonna have to try it and then see. I've heard so many good things about this palette, though, so I'm thinking it's a good palette, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me know down below which colors you like the most. Again, Crushin' is actually my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, MakeupByTashaXO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Are we surprised that we got a cat visiting? No, we're not. Hi, Effie. You guys can see where I dyed my hair yesterday, and let's just say my pillowcase did not survive. What do you... Yeah, you go look out the window. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi! Oh, thank you for stepping on the box. Really, thanks. It's so nice. Hey, yeah, you watch where you put your toes, Missy. That's... Hey! Hey, get your toesies off there. Rude. What are you doing? I think you're crazy. I do. You're so cute, though. Yes, you are. Effie, you're cute, too. Oh, are you jealous? Are you jealous? Oh, my two girls that do not get along. Don't sniff her tail. Don't get bitchy. Yeah, your sister gets bitchy. Rude. Hey, leave her alone. Chloe, he's so mean to you. He's so mean. She's just trying. Don't chew plastic. You're dumb bum. Don't be dumb like all the people stocking up on toilet paper. Well, get him. Bite him.
He's on his front. You can get him good.
You're so sleepy. Oh my goodness, you are. You're so sleepy. Oh, look at you. You're so sleepy. You sleepy? Oh my goodness. Oh, you can get up? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You're so sweet, aren't you? Oh, look at those toes. I got your toesies. Oh. Hi.
Oh. Like mother, like son, I guess. Look at her tail. She's fucking pissed.
go after.
Who needs sports when you have cats? You gonna do something? Bite him. There we go. Well, that was lame.